Hey, what's up? I'm Austin of AustinMy_238, and you are watching Trina Miller 100.
It's 5 a.m. Just woke up. Gotta get some short packing. We're bringing some small stuff here. Oh boy. Gotta get packing. Get ready. Pick up my medication. And off to Kansas City. For my hot dog disappointment, oh boy. Just short 2-night vacation. Just a 3-hour trip from Wichita to Kansas City, so nothing much, just shopping, hot dog disappointment, blah blah blah. Yeah. Bringing my Switch, my laptop, because last time I did make a huge purchase at Nebraska Furniture Mart. So yeah, go check out that vlog because I made a huge purchase along with furniture. This is from Nebraska Furniture Mart. Got a chair on the table. And also, I'm bringing my Project Rock Collection backpack from Under Armour. So, yeah. Good thing my laptop will fit in my backpack. Along with my Switch and chargers and games. So, yeah. But we're not bringing a whole lot. We have a lot of shopping, so we don't want to bring a whole lot. So, yeah. But anyway, I gotta get packing, get ready, and pick up my medication from CVS, and then get something to drink, and off to Kansas City. We're in my aunt's car, taking us to Kansas City. My aunt's in the back seat. She doesn't allow to be filmed right now, but my mom is driving. Oh, my aunt's car. My mom is driving my aunt's car. So yeah, we're making a pit stop at Quick Trip with food and gas, and then yeah. Alright guys, so I'm sitting in a Quick Trip parking lot, but I realized Quintus has a vlog up, guys. So yeah, so the vlog is called "It's a Big Day for Him." So I will have it in the cards if it's available. So yeah, go check that out. So yeah, so they done volleyball tournament and also told us about the plans for Bryce. And yeah, so anyway, go check them out. And also I almost forgot, after we get something from Quick Trip, I'm picking up my meds from CVS, and then we'll go on a trip. Check it out, guys. We got a free wetsuit. Look at that.
Purple fan. I brought the purple fan. Right.
Check it out.
Do you mean put the back?
Wetsuit. And also, I got a Quick Trip, some buffalo sticks. That's one of my favorites from the Quick Trip. So yeah, and after that, I'm going to share the Twix cookies and cream in my end. So yeah, gotta get eating. made it Kansas City, but we have to do some little shopping before we check in the hotel because what we're gonna do in the hotel room.
Yeah.
We're gonna watch the Bachelorette.
The Stinky Men.
And also the claim to fame. So yeah, gotta do some little bit of shopping because some stores gotta be closing soon. So we gotta get this done before we check into the hotel to watch the Bachelorette and claim to fame. So yeah. Remember I'm walking out the Coach glasses from Specs. Well, guess what? We're at the Coach outlet. So yeah, we're at Coach. We're Under Armour looking for the Project War collection. So yeah. Look at that, there's the Rock himself. Look at that. Check it out, we got our Under Armour. So yeah, but I believe we're headed 19 next.
Yep.
But I don't know if we're supposed to have time for Converse because everything closes at 6 because of Labor Day. So, by the way, today's Labor Day, so happy Labor Day to you.
Happy Labor Day.
So yeah, everything closes at 6. Well, changing plans, we decided to go to Converse just to look at shoes. One Nike, so yeah, I just have to talk over it because I just want to make a quick clip because otherwise I get a copyright strike. Good thing the music got cut off. You want to get hit by copyright. Look at this, guys. The Nike shoes.
What are these made for? Turn into the side.
Look at that. I mean, there's so many
Those would
shoes.
be impact because look at the
Look
bubbles
at
on
that.
the side.
There's a close out here.
That cushion right
So, yeah.
Is it hotter than your other
Look at this. Look at that mask. I tried it on. It's so good. It's getting hot in here, so I took it off a little bit so I can get some air in my face. So,
Compared to your other mask, though, is it hotter or is it not as hot? As when you
I
wear
think
your-
it's not as hot, but it's weavable.
So you like it better than your other one?
Yeah. So, I do like this mask for Under Armour, so yeah. So, by the way, guys, I will show you the stuff when I get to the hotel. I believe they're about to close, so yeah. The Brenda bottle. Oh my goodness. That is a traditional Nike brand right here. We're walking around Shopping Factory and there's some Paul favorites right here. So yeah, they have combo apples, they have truffles, they have pretzels. So yeah. Oh, boo.
Hilton local cheese
Nice, boo.
We have a little bar.
It's sweet.
Ah.
Oh my goodness.
Look.
Home sweet home for the next 2 nights.
You have an office. Oh,
Look
we
at
have
that.
one of those
There's
tables
a
like we have at home.
bedroom, there's a desk. Oh
Ah,
my goodness. Oh my goodness. It even has a bathroom. I believe it has a bathroom.
Yes.
There's a closet right here. Look at that. Look at that kitchen.
They have an old-fashioned.
Oh my goodness. Even has a living area with a tray table.
Oh my!
Look at that.
We're not opening that.
Look at that.
Look at the little dishwasher.
Look at this scrub mummy. You guys see it in Shark Tank? Look at that. Oh snap, look at the bathroom. Wow.
Oh snap.
Look at that. It looks big. Look at that. It looks big. Look at this. Oh wow, it even has a mirror. Look at that. Pretty nice bathtub. Wow, that is so cool.
You think it's cool?
Yeah. Oh boy, made it to Kansas City, made it to the hotel. Gotta relax because the Bachelorette is on tonight. So, who's excited for Bachelorette? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, are you excited for Claim to Fame? Let me know in the comments down below. Watching the Bachelorette in a hotel room, and my aunt is ordering food. Look at this. Baja Shrimp Tacos. What's it from?
The Yard House.
They're from the Lord House at the Legends. So, yeah, we're about to enjoy dinner. And also, I went to Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. You guys saw that vlog. I'm trying out the dip pretzels. The one dip pretzel as a dessert. So, yeah. Also getting caught up on Paige and Mr. Mello, but I got caught up on This Is Harry Bingham, and then also Jaren Britt and Quintus TV. So I've already watched that before the road trip. I want to give you guys a haul that I got from today at the Legends. Starting with Under Armour, I just got the hardest worker in the room shirt. This is from the Project Walk collection. Started to walk right here. So that's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow to the doctor's appointment. So yeah, I'm wearing this tomorrow. And also this headbands, they're purple. And yes, they're the same colors. So yeah, it says Under Armour on it. So it has some different designs on the headband. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow as well. And then also this pants, and there's the men's size, and they're unisex. So yeah, women's can wear men's too. So yeah, the Project Rock. So it says Under Armour on the side, and then Project Rock on that side. So yeah, so these are the shorts from Project Rock collection at Under Armour. That's what I'm gonna wear tomorrow. So yeah, and also I just got the mask that I tried on while I was at Nike. So yeah, I got the Under Armour sports mask. So yeah, this is kind of cool. So that's what I'm gonna wear to the hospital. And yes, they're still doing mask mandates in the hospital. So that's what I'm gonna wear it tomorrow to the hospital. So yeah, this is from the Under Armour. Next up, I went to the Converse store and I just found this shoes right here. I think they're appropriate skin color. They're match the whole fitting. So yeah, so it is so comfortable. So yeah, I think they're size 9 on the Converse shoe. So for those who are wearing the Converse or favorite Converse, of course, Sierra wears Converse. So I'm wearing Converse as well, so Sierra wears Converse. So yeah, this is kind of cool. So these are from Converse. I got one pair of shoes to go with this Nike socks. And yes, we went to Nike next door. Actually up here, right next to Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory. So I just got the Nike socks that says "Just Do It" on it. So I think these are mine. Some of them are my aunt's. So yeah. But anyway, I think that's it. So here's my stuff I got from Under Armour, the Nike, and Converse. And also my aunt just got the Nike shoes, and my mom just got the Under Armour shoes with the socks. So yeah. Anyway, here it is. And also I'm watching 2-night finale with Claim to Fame. How's it going with Claim to Fame, Angie? We're both watching it in a hotel room. So yeah. Oh, by the way, we're Jonas Brothers fans, so that's why we're watching Claim to Fame. So we're Jonas Brothers fans, right, Angie? Yeah, we're Jonas Brothers fans. So by the way, I'm walking out this Converse tomorrow while I'm at the hospital. So yeah. Alright guys, I'm wrapping up the vlog. Tomorrow morning I have my heart doctor's appointment, and then after that having more fun in Kansas City before actually going back to Wichita on Wednesday because of the Apple event on Wednesday. Oh man, that made me stressed out. So yeah, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit subscribe for more videos and more content. And the vlogs will be in the cards right here. And remember, it's all adventurous want to be. And next watching, please subscribe. Bye. I'm Trina Minute 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trina Minute 100 Games channel and Better Bear Camp 17's channel. Until next time, peace.